Hey YouTube, what's up? It's been a while since our last video and it's that time of year again, Halloween. Samantha's in 4th grade. Samantha, what do you want to be this year?
Soda machine.
Okay, so we're going to build a soda vending machine costume. We've got our large box, a couple of empty soda cans. We're going to need to drink some more sodas over the next few days. First step is to cut some holes for the arms and the head and work on the display window. And we'll go from there. Are you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Alright guys, we're back and this is what we did so far. We cut a 7-inch hole on the top for the head, a couple of 4-inch holes on the sides for the arms. We did a 9 by 12 hole in the front for the display window, and we attached a small box from the inside, just taped it in for now. And on the bottom we have the soda can dispenser. And we're ready for the next step, which is to do some painting, do some buttons and coin slots. Alright guys, we're back one more time and we're pretty much finished. This is what we did. For the inner box we put in some aluminum foil, then we taped the soda cans on top of that, and then we put some cellophane wrap over the cans. On the side here we have the buttons. And we have a working dollar bill slot. For special effects, we put in some LED lights. And that's pretty much it. Sam, how do you feel?
Great.
Alright, why don't you turn around for us real quick? Okay, cool. Are you ready for Halloween?
Yep.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe and have a happy Halloween.